y'all, it's Holistic Beauty RN. I'm a registered nurse here to give you useful information based on the research. So enjoy.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.
Hey you guys, welcome to my channel, Holistic Beauty RN. So if you don't already know by the title, today I'm going to be making some onion juice for hair growth. So I've done some research on it and I said, you know what, I think I want to give it a try. So far I've seen a lot of good things about it. Just from my own research, I see that it seems to be effective. So I'm going to go ahead and give this a try. This is my first time doing it, but I want to go ahead and do it to see how it works. I've already tried the onion, the rice water, which has helped and already shown so much promising results. I said, you know what, let me go ahead and try this onion juice out and see what all the hype is about. So I've got my onion here. This is just a regular organic yellow onion. I already cut the onion in half. So per the instructions, you're supposed to get the onion, chop it up into small pieces, and then blend it and strain that juice before applying it to the hair. So this is my preparation and cutting it up. Ooh, you guys, this onion is like burning my eyes. I need to get some air here, excuse me. So don't mind me. Always be careful with this part so as not to cut yourself. Whole thing up. Like, since you're gonna be blending it anyway, why cut the onion first before blending it? But I don't know. So I'm gonna go ahead and just, per the instructions, follow exactly what it tells me to do. Place these small pieces into the cup. Mentioned to add water, so I'm just going to adhere to that and just blend up the onions as is to make an onion paste, so to speak. So let's go ahead and do that. My onions blended up. It's like this onion paste. I'm going to go ahead and strain it. I've got my cheesecloth here. And I just got this off of Amazon. I'll leave the link below in my description box, so be sure to check that out. It's my first time using cheesecloth, you guys, so bear with me. I'm just gonna put it in here and just kind of squeeze it to get the juice out. And that's kind of what I've been seeing other people do as well. So, oh wow, that works pretty good. Here's a better view. So I'm just straining this onion juice. Wow, works pretty well. So curious, you guys, have any of you guys tried onion juice before? And if so, how have your results been? I'm curious to know. As I've said before, this is my first time using it. So if you guys have used it before and had some great results, share your experience in the comment box below. I would love to know. You guys, I'm just letting y'all know over here, I am literally, whew, my eyes, my nose, just everything is just feel like it's burning. So y'all be careful over here because I'm literally in tears. All right, I think I've got all the juice out of here. So this is what it looks like. So let's get ready to use it. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and transfer this onion juice to a spray bottle just to make it easier to apply to my hair. So I've just got my little mini spray bottle here. If you guys are wondering where I got the spray bottle from, because some people have asked me, I will link the link down below in my description box, so check that out. I got it from Amazon for like $6, so it's pretty reasonably priced and it's very good quality. So check out that description box below if you're interested in that. So I'm just transferring this to the spray bottle here because I'm gonna section my hair and spray it thoroughly through, focusing on my scalp, which is where this should be applied. Got all that in there, ready to go. So there you have it. There's my onion juice. So let's go ahead and apply this. Hey you guys, so I am in my bathroom. I've got my onion juice. I don't know, you guys. I'm kind of feeling a little apprehensive about this onion juice. Oh my goodness. I think it'll be okay though. I don't think, because research did show that it had some pretty good benefits. So as far as onion juice goes, it's the sulfur in the onion that's really been linked to this hair growth, because the sulfur helps to stimulate the hair follicle, and that hair follicle needs to be stimulated. It helps to bring blood flow to the scalp, to the hair follicle, bringing those nutrients where it needs it most. And this has what's been shown to be effective. So what I'm going to do here is, because I've got my onion juice in my spray bottle, I think I'm just going to section off my hair. So I'm just going to go ahead and kind of separate my hair as I go along and really spray it in there. Y'all ain't gonna lie, it smells like onions. Oh man, all these bad hair treatments. Getting it in my hair. Probably gonna section this hair so I can get top and a bottom. Just to let you guys in on a quick research study that showed the effects of onion juice in one small study published in the Journal of Dermatology. It was indicated that applying onion juice to the scalp may help regrow hair in some people. So the study actually involved participant who had alopecia areata. So that is a form of non-scarring hair loss. It comes in patchy forms. So the researchers found that hair growth started after 2 weeks of using onion juice in some of these participants, and this was applied to the scalp twice daily, this onion juice. And then almost 74% of participants had some hair regrowth after 4 weeks. So 74%, that's more than half of the people in this research study had hair growth after 4 weeks. And at about 6 weeks, 87% of people experienced hair regrowth. So there was both males and females in this study, but the hair regrowth was higher amongst males. So although this study had positive results, it was a small study with only 38 participants, but hey, the results were, as you can see, quite amazing to show that this hair regrowth had been achieved from using this onion juice twice daily. Massaging the scalp, getting that blood flowing. Really getting that blood flowing. So what works easy for me, you guys really been noticing, I'm just kind of putting the spout directly in my hair. So I'm not like spraying it from far back where it will hit the outside of my hair. Because again, we want to focus this on the roots and the scalp. So I'm putting this directly in my hair and spraying it, and it's just that liquid is going directly to the scalp where it needs to be. So in case y'all are wondering, like, what is she doing? Why is she doing it like that? Y'all, look at this. I'm gonna have to take me a shower again. I got this onion juice dripping all down my neck. Ooh, wait. I'm gonna be smelling like onions all over now. All right, y'all. So I'm gonna get my plastic cap. Place this over my head, and I'll see you guys in an hour. So you gotta rinse this out and then wash it with a mild shampoo. So for the shampoo, I'm just going to use my Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil shampoo. And if you're interested in this, I will link the information in the description box, in my description box. you guys, I am back. So I have washed out the onion juice from my hair. I had washed out the onion juice from my hair, so I got my hair wrapped in a cotton t-shirt to absorb the excess water so it wouldn't be dripping all down my back. I just got my hair sectioned off in 4 because, as y'all may or may not know, I like to work through sections in my hair, especially when it comes to washing, detangling, deep conditioning, etc. I like to have my hair sectioned because my hair is super thick and it just makes it a whole lot easier for me. And of course, it's too soon to tell, like, about the results, to see if I've gotten any results, which I am very confident I will have results, but it is too early to tell. But my overall impression so far is that, even when washing out the onion juice, like, I'm not noticing any lingering smell to dissuade me from using it again. Overall, my experience was pleasant. Like, there wasn't anything really that would discourage me from using it again. I'm actually excited and looking forward to using it again. I hope you all enjoy that video. Stay tuned for my onion juice hair series where I will document my use of onion juice.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.